The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, slightly toward the left side.
Eat these for a healthy heart. 1. Fatty fish like salmon. 2. Oats with soluble fiber. 3. Protein-packed beans. 4. Unsalted nuts. And 5. Creamy avocado.
Here are 5 foods for your heart. First, fatty fish support cardiovascular health. Oats have fiber for healthy cholesterol. Beans provide great plant protein. Nuts provide healthy unsaturated. These foods don't prevent or cure heart disease by themselves. Overall diet, physical activity, blood pressure, cholesterol, smoking, and other healthy choice at a time.
Every single ingredient counts to protect and maintain your heart.